Beautiful beach today. I got the sito repaired. See, it's got a patch over there, if you can see it, and over the badge and weld up there, so now she'll hold together. Big shout out to McKay Aluminium Industries. Put a patch on it for me. This beach, isn't it beautiful? Oh, better get into it. Second target today is down there, and I got it in the 30s. It looks like a sixpence. You can get it in the light. You see the shielding thing on it. Yep, right there. Sixpence. That's a ripper. Might be a heap of coins around here. Gonna record this one, it's a 19. Could be rubbish, could not be. Let's dig it out. Let's have a go. Says it's about 6 inches down, so probably 3 scoops will do it. Let's see. Right. Got it out somewhere here. Probably in that one. That last one I just dug, I don't know. Let's see. $18 now. Could be rubbish, could be something good. Get to find out. Oh, soft drink cap. Oh well, on to the next one. There's a $31, $20s, whatever. In here I've already dug 2 scoops out, it's still in there, so I thought I'd just record this one. See if I got it out now. Yep, it's in this scoop. That's a good thing. So, let's tip it out and see what it is. Move that junk out the road. Try this. It's probably another 2 cent, but we'll have a look together. There it is. Found it. Whoop. I don't think it's a 2 cent this time, because oh look, I think it's a half or a shilling. Scrub it a bit. Rub it on my shorts. Rub it on the magic trousers, as they say. And I dare say it's a shilling. And that's what it is. Or is it a halfpenny? Could be halfpenny. I know I'll clean it up. Could be halfpenny actually. Rightio. We're on to the next one. Medical buy has been unlocked. On a bit of a jackpot today. You see right there, I just dug that hole there, and right there, just seen it pop up. I'll flick the dirt out. I have a little thrippy. Now I have a 6-pence thrippy and a halfpenny. What's a halfpenny? I'm having an awesome afternoon. On to the next one. Do a quick record on this one. Just there underneath that big shell, it reckons, just here. Let's see if we can get it out with a couple. Do 2 scoops and see if it's still there. Let's try that. Just scoop over there. It's up here 21 now. Let's see. See you somewhere. There it is. Did you see it? $2. On to the next one.